Hi, this is Joseph with GoEngineer. Today I have a tech tip for 3D printing for you about the print heads for the F-Series 3D printers. We're going to start off with the black head. This is for all of the base materials, including the support material, and the new Duran nylon-based material even. So because it's the model and support head, you can mark off which one is which as you put them in the printer. Just tick it off. Then as they go in and out, you know where to put it back. The blue head is for the elastomeric TPU material. It uses the same support material as the black head, so just leave that black support head right where it is. Lastly is the gray PLA material. This one is a very low temperature draft type material. So it has a secondary cooling head that goes in the support head spot. And you use both of them together to run the PLA material. Those are the different print heads for the F-Series 3D printers. If you have any questions or troubles, please reach out to us. You can find our phone number on GoEngineer.com, and like and subscribe to this video to keep up with all of our future tech tips. See you next time.